Hello everybody, welcome back to the Level 1 Kitchen where you can find easy to make meals and desserts. I am your humble host, Outlaw Sean. And today, it's a real gloomy day in Los Angeles, and you know it's real nice on a gloomy day? How about an apple pie? So today, I'm gonna show you how to bake a nice, easy to make apple pie. Now for this, you're gonna need some apples, some sugar, cinnamon, a deep dish pie crust, butter, flour, and some oats. So let's get into it. Okay, first thing you want to do is peel and slice your apples. Then you want to place them into a medium-sized bowl. Afterwards, add in your cinnamon and your sugar into your bowl. Mix everything up until all your apples is covered with your sugar and your cinnamon. Then you can cover it with some foil and let it sit aside for 30 minutes. After the time, uncover your apples and stir it again so you can recover your apples with your cinnamon juices. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's get to the topper. What you want to do is add in your butter. Then you want to combine your sugar, oats, flour, and mix everything until you get a nice dough ball. Then we can take our apples and start adding them to our pie crust. Then you can start tearing apart your dough until you cover up all your apples. Place it onto a sheet pan and then pop it in the oven for 30 minutes. Then after you get it out the oven, let it sit aside and serve it up. Then you're ready to have a nice pie day. Damn, that pie looking good. But not as good as you sharing this video, liking it. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting videos every week of more delicious, simple foods to make. And also hit the bell right next to it so you'll know when I post this video of delicious food I'm making. That's all to be said this week. Hopefully you will come back again another time when I post a video. I'll catch you in a little bit. Later.